MRCODE 350 Semicentral Air Conditioning Experimental Arrangement Heating Experiment through Electromagnetic Expansion Valve. First, we turn on the fan in the pipe and input 100. Turn on the fan of the condenser and input 100. Then we switch to heating mode and the display shows that it is currently in heating mode. Then start the compressor. You can see that the low pressure side decreases and the high pressure side increases. The flow rate has a change including the current and power of the compressor. The temperature of the refrigerant coming out of the compressor is about 25 degrees, and it is still rising. The temperature after the heat exchanger is about 23 degrees. Heat exchange in progress. The temperature T2 after the heat exchanger is greater than T1. The temperature is now very fast, and the heating effect is very good. It is already 4 degrees higher than it. T3 heating temperature is 22 degrees. Turn on the humidifier. This is the humidifier in the pipe. Turn it on, turn green. You can see that it has started. The humidity also rises accordingly. After a period of heating, you can see that the temperature passing through the heat exchanger basically rises from 16.5 degrees to 31.5 degrees. Others are basically around 30 degrees. The room temperature also reaches about 26.4 degrees. This is the heating effect. It is about 23 degrees when it comes out of the room, and it is definitely higher than the current ambient temperature of 16 degrees. Now the air valve is 0. That is, this air valve and this air valve are equivalent to the closed state. It is equivalent to the open state, simulating the internal circulation. We can turn the fan disk to 100, and you can see that it is working. Inhale fresh air from this side, then circulate and go out from the front. This place is equivalent to being closed, equivalent to external circulation. After a certain period of circulation, the temperature does not change much. You can feel the air inlet and you can feel with your hand that there is wind coming in and the temperature is slightly lower. The temperature at the air outlet is slightly higher than that at the air inlet. This is roughly the heating experiment. After completion, you can turn off the compressor first, then turn off the fan and turn off the humidifier. You can see that the current high pressure side is decreasing and the low pressure side is increasing. Now you can experiment with mode switching. It is useless to click on the cooling mode because the pressure difference is now greater than 0.5.